Good day, gentlemen. Skunkworks here. So I went to the antique store today and picked up a couple locks. I saw this lever lock, Trusty 8-lever lock, and I looked at the stamps and the machining on it, and I said to myself, I'll bet you this is like the master lock of lever locks. Okay, here's our key. Now, I've never picked a lever lock before, well, until this morning, but you can see, works great. I haven't made my lever picks yet. I did make a little tension tool out of one of the keys. So let's see if we can actually do this. I'm just going to stick this pick up here and kind of prod around a little bit. I only count 4. I think there are only 4 levers in here. Let me see if I can get a better angle on this. Hopefully you guys can still see. There we go. Now I'm in the sweet spot. Oop, so my pick is stuck. Never a good sign. There we go. And she's open. So there you have it. Maybe you don't trust a trusty super lock. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.